Keith is back and refreshed. Nice to have the team back
I don't know about
together. We're hoping
back.
you're refreshed. But you're here.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's enough.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. It's weird. Like, so, yeah, I haven't been here for a week. I know you had a great week last week because that's what we forecasted. Hopefully that's what happened. It felt like I came back and it was legit fall.
Oh, yeah. So
Like,
switched this weekend.
Sweatshirt.
Yep.
We did a corn maze yesterday,
Where?
which Luca led us through. He
Oh,
did great. No, he did great.
Okay.
He
I'm not
did
surprised for
great.
him, actually.
2 dead
Yeah.
ends. That's it.
Oh, that's not bad at
Probably
all.
better than me. I have to leave breadcrumbs and stuff. But yeah, this whole week is about like today. So temperatures upper 50s to around 60, and we'll kind of talk about the shower chances here. There aren't many of them, but you can see the atmosphere is a little unstable, right? We've popped up quite a few clouds. We've got some clouds over down East Maine as well. And we had a couple of showers, and we'll tend to have a chance of them really all week, but there won't be all that many of them, and the chances will diminish as the sun's about to set, which, by the way, I think in Bangor is 6:01 tonight. Ooh. Hate everything about that. There's a big upper level low to the north and west, so that's why we've got some instability. This is going to be stuck generally in this area all week, and so we're on the edge of it, not in the center where there's going to be rain, and even you can see some snow there actually, but on the edge there'll be little spokes of energy giving us a chance for showers over the next couple of days. So there won't be all that many of them, but they'll be around. First things first, tonight we do have a frost advisory in effect for kind of interior southwestern Maine and into New Hampshire, where temperatures may drop down to the 30s. I tweaked this map and knocked temperatures down several degrees. I think the models were a bit too warm here. So upper 30s, mid 30s, low 30s, possible by early tomorrow morning. Basically from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. is your chance of frost. And there's a whole advisory here that talks about sensitive vegetation and all that. I never really know what that means, but if you do, good for you. The rest of the evening is quiet, not a whole lot going on. Start with sun tomorrow, more clouds in the afternoon, and again, isolated chance of a shower in the afternoon. Western Maine and along the immediate coastline, I think, is your best chance. Temperatures upper 50s to around 60. Same deal tomorrow night, drop into the 40s and 30s. Wednesday, I think there's more cloud cover around initially. We break into a mixture of sun and clouds with just a very isolated chance for a shower. I'd say any given day here through this week, there's about a 20% chance of a shower. It's not very high, but it's not zero, and that's why it's in our forecast. But if we take this Euro model all the way through the week, so this is the total rainfall all week, it's not much, right? Some of these are trace amounts, 0.1, 0.2, so I'm not looking at a lot of rain. I just want you to be aware there will be a chance of them straight through Thursday. Friday's probably dry, and then Saturday looks decent as well. We're watching the weekend because there's definitely a storm that's going to be coming, kind of an inside runner if this was a winter situation, and then coming up the coast. The question is, how far up the coast does it get? The latest models are a little bit farther south, which would be good for central and northern Maine, but I'm not convinced. I still would pencil Sunday in as a showery to rainy day, and that may continue into Monday too. We'll just try to nail that down as we get a little bit closer. But so yeah, not a lot of variation here. 58 to 62 basically, right? Straight through the week, and then we get cooler on Sunday with some rain showers possible on Monday. We'll see if this is an all-day thing on Sunday or day and a half, or we're just doing like kind of nasty coastal lows lately, as you may have noticed. So I think that's going to be at least half of.
When they hit on the weekends, we notice.
We
definitely are well aware.
I know. I hate that for us. We'll see how it plays out, but in the meantime, just kind of like today, just an isolated sprinkle here and there, but decent.
Okay, Keith, thank you.